Today we're going to be taking a look at a portable projector with a 360-degree speaker. Stick around. Now, if you've heard of Anker before, you are probably more familiar with their other products, which are chargers, charging accessories, and also portable batteries. This is a little bit different, so I thought it would be interesting to take a look. As you can see, this is powered by Android. Once you break the outer seal, you'll be able to remove the outer sleeve, which leaves this red box. Removing the top lid, you'll be exposed to the speaker itself, remote control, and also various accessories. As part of the accessories that comes with the unit, you get a USB on-the-go cable. This will be used for plugging in full-sized media like USB thumb drives, hard drives. There is also a AC adapter inside, and as you can imagine, this is Anker branded. For some reason that was quite a bit harder to remove than expected, but you can see it there, and we'll go ahead and take a closer look in a little bit. So as for now, we'll take a closer look on the USB on-the-go cable here. And we can also take a look at the included charger here as well. This is a quick charge unit, so you can expect a lot of power that goes through this. As far as charging times go, we'll be testing that in the full review, which will be coming up. There is also a travel pouch included, which is quite nice. There is also a physical remote that is included that works through infrared. Underneath the projector, you'll find your various manuals and warranty cards. We'll go ahead and put those to the side and check out the projector. So on the top, you can see the Nebula branding along with the power button, Bluetooth sync key, and a volume up and a volume down. On the bottom, there is a mounting point. You can use this for a tripod or some other mounting. Uses a 1/4 inch. On the back, there is a micro USB for power, HDMI full-sized, and also the IR blaster. And then on the side, there is a dial which allows you to dial in the focus. That is not done automatically. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see how it looks. Starting off, you get a pretty simple menu, allows you to choose your language. Once you go through that, it'll also allow you to select your wireless network so that it can work with various apps. There is also an app for your smartphone that will allow you to control it a little bit better. Again, the remote is an IR, so if it is not pointing directly at the unit, it will not function. This will be a problem for people that have these projectors set up behind them, so that remote app on the smartphone is actually quite a lifesaver in this scenario. Now, jumping into the menu, you can see that it does have various sources, and you can also play some of your favorites from YouTube, Netflix. And again, this is Android powered, so you can see different kinds of apps and download them from the marketplace. Now, as you can tell, this is not running Google Play Store. It is using something else, but the speed is fairly quick, and it does have a lot of the things that you might be looking for. Just as a quick search, I checked for VLC. VLC was available. It worked without any hitches. For YouTube, we'll just go ahead and do a quick sample here to see exactly how it functions and kind of go from there. So you can see YouTube looks fairly smooth and it works well. Searching, there is a mic input, but it does not work because this remote does not have a mic. But you can use, again, your smartphone to type it in, or if you choose to use the IR remote, you would do so using the on-screen keyboard. We'll go ahead and check out the NeoWin site and see one of the latest videos from Rich and test out the sound.
Hey guys, I'm Rich from NeoWin. Today we're unboxing the Honor View 10. So,
First impressions of the audio is that it was quite loud. It sounded a little hollow and tinny, but again, this is something that we'll have to test further in the review. The actual projection doesn't get as bright as I would have hoped, but we'll take a look at this a little bit more in depth. And this has been the unboxing of the Anchor Nebula. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.